Hello learners, welcome to this channel. In the last video we have seen Python first session. There we have seen uh, how to write our first program in Python, and then we learned about comments, variables, reserved keywords, and how to uh, write identifiers. So in this video, first, we will see about one very famous and popular program in Python at very first stage, just using variables. So generally, you will find out this question in interviews as well. This question is about swapping. So swapping is, changing the variable content into another variable. So this you can achieve by two ways. Either you can take another third variable, or without any third variable in Python. So let's see swapping. So any variables, any two variable you take. Here suppose I have taken x and y. So x is containing right now number 10 and y is containing number 15. Now swapping means what we want. We want x variable content 10. It should be replaced to y, and y content should replace to x. So it means what I want at the end, I want x should be 50 and y should be 10. So let's first see about how to use third variable. Using third variable, how to swap two variables. So it's very easy. The first variable is x. Here I have given as 10 and the y is 50. Now I am taking another variable temp. You can name it anything. So what I want in this third variable, I am keeping the first variable, that is x, and now in the x variable I am keeping y. And the next step is what I will be doing. In the y variable I will keep temp. So it's done. How? Let me show you. See, in the first temporary variable I have kept x values I have kept. Now let me just, to make you understand very properly, let me just print it. See, print temp. Okay, so let me just comment it out to make you understand, and one by one I will uncomment all these. So initially x variable has 10 and y variable has 50. Okay, so let's print this both as well to better make you understand better. Print x and print y. So let's run this. Okay, see, as I have given x is 10 and y is 50, when I'm printing x it is showing 10, and when I'm printing y it is showing 50. Now what is the next step? I have kept a temp variable where I'm keeping the value of x variable. So temp should get 10. So yes, see, when I'm printing temp, it is giving me 10. Now what I want to comment it out. I want x in x variable, I want to keep the value of y. So when you will print x now, print x. So when I'm printing x, this is the last. So here see, now x got 50. Now next what I will be doing, I will be keeping the y is equal to temp, because temp has x value, right? So when I will be doing y is equal to temp, it means in the y variable I am keeping the temp variable value. So when I will run this, let me just print it for you. Print y. So it will give you 10 at the last. So now just don't get so confused. I will remove all this and you will understand. Okay, and this also I'm removing it, and see, sorry, it is showing this, just that only the x and y it is showing. So I'm printing the, okay, see, value of x is 50, value of y is 10. So if you want to print it before, you can even print it like this: value of x before swapping. Okay, it will be clear. Okay, and here I am putting after swapping. Yes, now let's run this. So see, value of x and y before swapping, it is 10 and 50 as it is, and after it is 15 and 10. So this I have used here third variable temp. Now let's see without using third variable. So without using third variable, what in a one line, in a single line, I can write like what I will be doing. I will be putting x variable, y variable, and is this equal to be opposite of y and x? It means x will contain the first y and the y will get the x. So let me just run you this. It's very easy in Python. So value of x is 50 and 10. Same here. Let me just do this for you. So before swapping I will keep here, and after swapping I will keep here. So this is the before swapping. Okay, now let's run. See, before it is 10 and 50, and after it is 50 and 10. So it is as much easy in Python. So this was the very important program, your first program. You can see, you can say like that, only using variables you can do that. Now let's go ahead and see our next session, start our next session, that is operators. So in Python operators, we can do a lot of operations on variables. So we have multiple operators here: assignment operators, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, bitwise operators, and logical operators. So let's see one by one. So first we have assignment operator. So assignment operators include the basic assignment operator equal to sign. So like here we can, in addition, there are more, like plus equal to, minus equal to, like that, and then floor division, a lot of more. So we will see one by one. So very first I have taken two variables here: a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Now what I want, I want print I want to print A and then print B. So what I did here, I am doing the typecasting. So I am putting A and in a string and B also in a string. So if it is equivalent, like A is equal to A plus B, you know, like A is equal to, when you will write A is equal to A plus B, you can also write here it is like A plus equal to B. So this here, this and this is equal. It doesn't have any difference. So now in the same way, you know, A is equal to A star B. You know, A multiply B star, here it means multiplication. So you can see this is the, instead of writing A two times, we can simply write A multiply is equal to B. So in the same way it is this one, division. For division also it will work like that. For percentage also it will work like that. And for simply exponent, this is the exponent here, and then this is the floor division. So like that you can like we can see. So let me just run this. we are simply putting, running this, it should work. So yes, here you can see it is showing first A is 3, B is 4. Now after that it is showing when I'm keeping A is equal to A plus B, it is giving me 7. When I'm keeping the next one is, okay, actually I here I have given to print B also, that's why it has printed 4 in the next line. Now in the next line I have given A is equal to A multiply B, so it should given 12. Sorry, it should give, now A has 7, so it will multiply 7 into 4, that is 28. And then again I have printed the B also, so it is 4. We are not changing B, we are only, in all this we have only changed A, so it will give you the A. So it is very simple actually. Instead of writing the same like this, is short form we use in Python. So these all are the assignment operators you can use. Now let's learn about arithmetic operators. So you must be knowing about all the arithmetic operations we have in mathematics, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, all these. So these all are the signs: plus, minus, multiplication, division and the modulus. So this modulus will return you the remainder of the division mode. And the exponent, it should be like raised to the power. So this is the exponent. So here we will simply see, we'll take same variables, you also take the any variable you want, and then simply try to print A plus B, A minus B, A multiplication, then division, then modulus, and then this exponent. So it will give you all the things. So using all operate, once you will learn about the operators in Python, you can write the code for calculator. So that is the that is also I will show you how to create a calculator. This is also like sometimes in interview this question get asked. So once you will learn about variables and the operators, we can create a simple calculator. Now we have next operators, comparison. So yes, we do need comparison operators in coding. So here it is equal to. So this equal to will returns true if the two operands are equal. Otherwise it is false. Then this is not equal to. So it will, if it is not equal to, it will give you true. Otherwise false. If this is greater than equal to, and then less than equal to. So all this, if it is true, it will give you true. If it is false, it will return you false. Here the same way I have taken two variables. Any variable you can take, assign the value to that, and then just write print, and then try to check your operator, comparison operator, if it is giving the correct. So A equal to B. So as you know, it is 100 and 200. So obviously it should give false. So here it has given false. Now so let's check the another one, that is not equal to. Yes, 100 is not equal to 200. So print of A not equal to B, it will give false. The next is print of A greater than B. So is A greater than B? No. 100 is not greater than 200. So it will give you false. But it will print A is less than B. Yes, it will give you true. Next, print A is greater than equal to B. No, it is not. So it will give false. The last one, A is less than equal to B. Yes, it is less than. So it will give you true. So like that, you can check how the Python operator, comparison operator works in Python. So these all are the operators that we use in Python. Next we have conditions. So conditional statement. So in conditional statements, here we can use like if it is if, like if, or elif, else if, or else statement, if and else. So let me show you very simple, very easy code for that. So let's take two variable. I have taken a is equal to 100, b is equal to 100 not, and we are checking if b is greater than a. So very simple, you just need to write if, and then whatever you want to write, you need to write that statement. So b variable, I want to check if it is greater than a. So yes, as just now we have learned about the comparison operator greater than, so we will use that b greater than a, and then you have to give the point, and then like after any conditional statement if or else, you need to put the semicolon, and then you need to enter, and there should be one space. This is very important in Python. So this is called indentation. So indentation is very much important in Python. It should be just one shift, one tab ahead from the if, and then you can write whatever statement you want. So here I want to write simply print b is greater than a, so it will show you. But now if you want, suppose like whatever, if b is less than let me just show you, if b is less than a, what it is showing. So it will not show you anything, because b is here b is not less than a, right? So what I want, if you want to print something, uh, you need to give else. So let me just write it for you. Else print no. I want to print simply no. So let's see, it is showing no, right? So here if and else, it should be in one indentation, and then whatever you write inside, it should be one tab indentation. So this syntax follows in Python. So this was the simple if and else. A lot of statement, like a lot of learning we have to do on conditional statement. So let's see more elif also. Let's see if we want to add one more condition. So here I have given two variables a and b. Now what I want, if b is greater than a, then also I want if a is equal to b, or else means if b is what, uh, less than a. So like whatever other than two condition, it will go into else. So let's learn this here. Now see, here a is greater than 50. Now what I want to make it 10. So now if, what is the condition I have given? I have given a as 10 and b is 50. So a is here less than b, so it should print it, right? Because b is greater than a, so it will print b is greater than a. Previously it has printed a is greater than b. Now let me show you. So here as you can see, it has shown b is greater than a. Now let's keep it equal. So once if I'll keep it equal, it will give you the middle one. A and b are equal. See, it automatically went into this elif condition. So this is how the if and else will work. So if condition is checked, if it meets the requirement, then code will be executed. And if it fails the requirement of first if condition, then it goes to the next condition, which is elif. And if it meets the requirement of elif condition, it executes the inside elif. Otherwise, it will go into the last block, that is else block. So this is how if and else if condition works. Now in the next session, I will go more deep, and I will be doing you like more interview question also, which is related to else and if, and then we will jump into the third Python session. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.